Another meeting, another controversial vote by Ottawa County board members.
Tonight, they'll vote on making Ottawa County a so-called constitutional county. We do have team coverage tonight. Taylor Morris is live in West Olive, where the meeting is expected to start shortly.
First, though, Joe LaFergie spoke with a constitutional scholar about what, if any, impact the resolution could have. Joe?
Brian Sue, led by County Commission Chair Joe Moss and backed by the conservative Ottawa Impact Movement, the resolution is meant to protect individual rights from everything from red flag laws to pandemic mandates. But the constitutional expert we talked to says government body can't simply ignore laws and mandates because they don't agree with them.
They do not have the ability to declare a law of the state of Michigan to be unconstitutional.
So says WMU Cooley Law School's Michael McDaniel on the constitutional county vote. The idea pretty much follows the script laid out by Ottawa Impact members and the slate of board members they backed last fall. The constitutional county resolution includes protections against freedoms being suspended in times of crisis, an obvious reference to pandemic mandates, and the protection of parents' rights to decide what's best for their children, a clear reference to the county health department shutting down the private school current board chair Joe Moss's kids attended because the school wouldn't enforce mask mandates. Now, while all of that may sound good to the majority on the board and their supporters,
there's no basis for that anywhere in either the state of Michigan or the U.S. Constitution.
In fact, McDaniel says the U.S. Constitution outlines a system for testing what's constitutional and what's not.
The court renders its judgment, and then the Court of Appeals in the state or federal Supreme Court can then act upon whether or not they too think those issues are unconstitutional.
Despite a veiled threat to withhold funds from other county agencies who don't follow the constitutional county line, in its resolution, the board affirms its support for the Ottawa County Sheriff and the Ottawa County Prosecuting Attorney acting in a constitutional manner and acknowledges and respects their respective oaths of office. McDaniel says, bottom line, the U.S. has a constitution, the state has a constitution, and the county board has a charter.
It's entirely somebody's imagination as to the role of a county being somewhat broader, much broader than is envisioned by either the state or federal constitutions.
Well, Prosecutor Lee Fisher and Sheriff Steve Kempker told me this afternoon the adoption of the constitutional county resolution wouldn't have an impact on how their offices do business. You can read more of what they had to say in our story at woodtv.com.